everybody, welcome to Thea World. Today I'm going to show you how to back up your WordPress site with two simple steps, but you really have to take the two steps. The first step, you got to back up the file manager. So back up the files in WordPress. And the second step is back up the SQL database. Now, if you don't have a cPanel and you're wondering, I don't have a cPanel, I highly suggest you do not use FileZilla if you're a newbie, because you can easily drag and drop the wrong files in the wrong place and you have absolutely no control. All you're seeing is just things downloading and uploading. And so I really suggest that you use cPanel. If your hosting provider doesn't provide you with cPanel, then I suggest that you change from them, because even GoDaddy, Bluehost, they all provide cPanel. Anyway, long story short, click on File Manager. When you click on File Manager, it's going to open up a new page. Ensure that you find the public_HTML. That is the root folder. Public_HTML is everything that is public. So you see over here, I'm going to click on the icon. Okay, I'm going to click on the icon, not the words public_HTML. I'm going to click on the icon twice. Okay, there. So now what you want to do is, I have already made a backup here in the past. So I'm going to delete this. Okay, I don't want you to delete what you've done. Just I'm deleting this. All right. Now I'm gonna select all. All right, I'm gonna select all, and in my case, well, my friend's case, because she asked me to help her, is I'm going to go to Command. I'm gonna select the WordPress, because this is an old backup that I don't want to include in this backup, and I'm going to, as you can see, I select all these files. Okay, I'm in the public folder on the left. Look. Okay, I select all these files and I unselected this folder here. All right, and then once I selected everything, you see, I'm going to click compress. Now, by compressing, I'm going to click on zip archive radio button. I'm going to click compress files, and by compressing, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a new, the cPanel is going to create a new folder that's going to be a zipped folder, and it's going to pick a random name. No, it's actually going to pick the first name on the folder up here that you see, .well-known. So what I want you to do is click close, and then you have to rename this file because it randomly named it for you. So what you're going to do, I'm going to click away from it, okay? Is just click away from it from anywhere. I'm going to click on the .well-known.zip. Now, again, this is made today at 6:39 p.m. You can see up there on the top, Monday, 6:39 p.m., right? Okay. We just made this. Now we have to rename this. So once you highlight it, you're gonna have to right click and you have to select rename. Now I'm gonna give it a meaningful name, and I'm gonna say backup dash May 20-21st-2018. Okay, so this makes sense, right? Okay, I'm going to rename the file, and I'm going to download the file. I'm going to download the file because I don't want to keep it in my server, because you don't want to clutter your server. Believe me, you're going to end up paying a lot of money if you clutter up your server, and there's absolutely no reason to save it in your server. Perhaps every month, yeah, you can save your monthly files there, you know, just in case your hard drive goes bad, but you can always upload it in Google Drive, whatever. So just click on, highlight it, and then click on download, and it's gonna download for you. And after you download it, make sure you don't forget to delete it from here, okay? You can leave one backup, maximum 2 maybe, but not more than 3 zip backups, because if your WordPress site is huge, man, you're gonna need a lot of gigabytes, okay, for your server. All right, so the second step that you gotta do is you gotta come back here to cPanel here, and you gotta find phpmyadmin. phpmyadmin is where your databases and your users are saved. Okay, so you need your database. Without your database, you will not be able to restore your WordPress site or migrate it. Okay, so over here, this is the database name, New Life. All right. Now, if you're unsure what your database name is, come back to the file manager, and you're gonna go to wp-config.php, and you have to click on View. Okay. And I'm not gonna do that because you're gonna see the database name and password. Okay. But if you're unsure, if you got multiple databases and you want to make sure, again, okay, you're in public folder here on the left, right? You got all your WordPress files here, right? Okay. Cool. So you know what I'm talking about. I don't need to repeat this. wp-config.php will tell you what's the name of your database. All right, back to phpmyadmin. Now this is the URL that we opened just a second ago. When we were here, we clicked on phpmyadmin, okay? And it opened this window. Now I'm going to click on the database. Once you click on the database, it's going to populate all the tables. What you want to do is scroll down all the way down to the bottom and click on check all database tables having overhead. Check all, all right? Now scroll up to the top again and click export, okay? Next, you don't want to touch anything else. Quick display, only the minimal options. That's all you need, nothing else. Don't make it complicated, that's all you need. And then click go. When you click go, it's gonna automatically download newlife.sql, all right? And that's all you need, guys. And then later, once this backup May 21st, 2018 is finished downloading, go back to the server, delete it, and create a new folder. And in that folder, I want you to write WordPress or my website backup May 21st, and inside that folder, put your files, the zip file that you downloaded from Cpanel, and put in the SQL as well, all right? Don't forget to do that so you keep yourself organized. And that's all you need to back up a WordPress site or to migrate it. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you in the next tutorial.